Alright guys, we're digging back at the site and it's still going, but got a nice ink here. Carter's, good sign. I wasn't finding a lot of glass until I started moving up to this corner. I think right in the corner is going to be where it's going to be really good, so alright, off we go. Okay, well, I was finding bottles here. I started cleaning out this top layer, which usually didn't have a whole lot of stuff, but this popped out here. And he got a Russell's White Drops, which is a Providence quack medicine. Very nice. I think we're going in the right direction, guys. I just put the camera down, I looked over, and you see there's a lip sticking out there. That's a whole bottle. I'll give it a little pull. Let's see, Aquamed, probably slick, but if we're lucky, it has embossing. It does have embossing. Oh, it's a George A. Peckham, Grocery Supplies, Providence, Rhode Island. Super common, but you know, it's embossed, aqua. Good stuff. Alright. That's 3 in like 5 minutes. Alright guys, well, frustrating part of digging in this hard pack layer is that this one right here I found with a lip first. Took a chunk off, but fortunately I think it's just one of those Peckhams. And yes, it looks like it is. George A. Peckham. That's too bad, but at least it wasn't a rare bottle. And then I got probably a third one right here. Another Peckham. I guess I like their extracts. These grocery supplies are all flavoring extracts. Alright. That's a packed little way right there. Good stuff. Got these really cool criers popped out. Roses, Pepto something, whatever, beef, Chicago. And that chip was definitely not me. It has some staining on it. The backside has a bunch of embossing too. Looks like it's in another language. No, Chapman Green Co, Manufacturing Chemists, Chicago. Very cool. That's going home with me. It's with the damage. Neat. Alright guys, moment of truth. Got a pharmacy. I've got a few slick ones so far. Hopefully this one's intact, and hopefully it's embossed. Looks to be intact, and it's unembossed. Ah, boogers. Well, it's a good sign at least. This whole pharmacy's in here, so it's only a matter of time until I find a whole one. Alright, let's keep at it. Alright guys, here's a nice little find here. Henderson's Wild Cherry Beverage. Look at that, it's New York. Cool, it's been really cruel in here. I've been pulling out lots of pharmacies, and they're all plain. So, and I found, you know, shards of broken ones that are embossed, of course. It's like, where are the whole ones that are embossed? But at least this is something that's pretty cool. And hopefully that means there's some more embossed meds in there. Alright. Alright guys, here it is. Made the dig worth it. Batchelder's Standard Extracts, Providence, Rhode Island. A little lip chip, but that is a unlisted flavoring extract. I've never seen that before. And I've seen a lot of extracts from Rhode Island. That is awesome. Alright. The dig is officially a smashing success. It was a success already because I was finding cool stuff, but that is really what I was looking for. Nice. Alright, it's been a hot second, guys, since I found a Johann Hoff. I ain't even focused here. It's kind of struggling with the sun. Johann Hoff Berlin. Nice. I think the ones that have Berlin is a little earlier, but I'm pretty sure this is all like 1890s, maybe some 1880s in here, is my guess for the age. Pretty consistent throughout. So, alright, this is pocket right in this corner. Of course, it's in the corner, it's gonna be hard to dig out, but a lot of stuff in there. So, hopefully, there's a bunch more. No way, guys. Look at this rolled lip, Pontiled. That's a real shocker, but a most welcome surprise. Random Pontiled bottle. Hey, I love late tosses, and I was also kind of guessing this dump could be from Privies, so you could have old stuff in Privies and newer stuff on the top, so it's all mixed age, and that's a good indication that that could be the case. Nice. Bottle time. You're right. There is a super awesome bottle, Daniel Bruce Jr. You might recognize this one from a video I had a few years back. Nice, I think it's 8-sided. Super rare, 1870s probably. They do not show up often. That is a sweet find. My whole hair collapsed, unfortunately. That's gone, but I'm digging around this corner, and it looks like it's worth it. So let's find some more. Guys, there's a big Aquamed in here. I just got it loose. Might be a Hood's, but you know, let's see what we got. I feel embossed on the sides. Here's a Hood's sarsaparilla. I see Apothecary is there. Little mass. Hood's sarsaparilla. Hey, well, it's a big whole medicine, so nice. It's a good sign. Big medicines in here. I see a lot of rocks, and there's a lot more pottery in this section. So the sun is right in the way, so it's like either really dark or really bright. So I apologize for that, but we'll keep digging. I hope this thing's whole. All right, Scott's got what it looks like. Probably a clay ink, maybe a master. If it's a master, you got your work cut out for you. What else at the top? It's probably a big one. Right in that black mud. You think this was probably?
I think it's whole. It's in that black stuff.
Oh yeah. No. You think this is all swamp, and they filled it in with dumped and leveled it out? Oh, it wiggled?
Nope.
I thought I saw it move in the camera.
It's still in there pretty.
I think if you work on the top part, you're gonna get it out pretty easy.
Oh my God, she's in there.
Won't let go. Oh, there it goes. Wiggles. There it is.
All right.
Nice. Nice. I see a pour spout on the top. Could be a Carter's. I've seen those embossed Carter's on the heel.
Yeah, there's something on there. I think it is a Carter's.
Let me give it a little. I'll sacrifice my finger. Where's the?
Right there. Yeah, it's Carter's.
Carter's
there it is. Haha,
awesome.
Nice.
That's a beauty, man.
Stamp on that side.
All right.
All right, guys. This might be my first case, Jen, if it's whole. I am currently laying on my stomach in dirt and broken glass to get this thing out. So I'm really hoping it's whole. They're not the best bottles in the world, but they do look really cool. I think it's gotta be whole. The whole thing's on there. Let's see. See if it'll come loose. Oh, it's a little loose. It feels whole. It's not an old case, but it's definitely a case, Jen. It's whole too, I believe. Hold on. Oh, sorry, I'm laying on my stomach. Yeah. We got a case, Jen. Dude, rad. It's my first case, Jen. And I don't know, we'll see how it looks when it's clean. But it's whole. See it in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cracked though.
No.
That big old crack in front of it. What is that? It's Providence too. Oh, it's an AW Fenner.
Oh, cool.
I don't have one, but
Then just keep it.
yeah, it's got a crack, but it's whole.
Yeah.
AW Fenner, Apothecary.
Oh, I like that. It says Apothecary.
473 Westminster Street, Providence.
Awesome.
All right, guys, I'm a dummy. I saw the top of this bottle and I got excited and I just ripped it out. So I didn't get me digging this one. This is a J. Fred Gibson, pharmacist, Providence, Rhode Island. I have one of these that I dug a couple years ago, But it's a great little bottle. There it is. All right, guys, I got a bottle right here. I hope it's something good because it looks cool from where I can see. Let's dig her out. I hope it's whole too. Under it a bit. Top of it, around the top. It feels whole. It's wiggling. Trying not to yank too hard on it. Oh, it's out. It's out. Oh my God, how is this a blank bottle? No, no. It says bottom embossed actually. Looks like it says Boston. I can't really read the other part. Something Boston. Oh, why can't that be side embossed?
Well, you don't dig one of these every day. That is a 1890s toilet right there. It says Beekman on there. That'd be pretty funny if I got his name. Maybe it's just a brand. It says Dale Mott Ironworks, patented 1889, 1892, 1893. And it's mostly there. So I'm gonna take that sucker home. It's a pretty cool find. A little crappy, but you know, I'm okay with that.